Alright, we're in some woods. We've got the bikes. Brett's having a cig. Look, there's the other bike. Hello, Brett. Say hello.
The baby angel!
Oh shit, Brett! Oh! Oh, it must have hit. Camouflaging.
Quick, go!
Oh shit!
That Brett this came!
Leg it! The fucking bear! Go! Leg it, go! Quick! Is it behind me? Can you see it? Come on! Alright, I'm on the way!
Clever dicker!
Leg it! Fucking hell, it's hard holding a camera and pushing a bike up the hill from an imaginary bear.
Endless!
Endless?
You can't!
This is ridiculous.
It's not ridiculous!
Go! See you later, we're off to see boobs. Bye!